Narcan for community members and do more outreach like this. And it's part of our prevention work too, because we're preventing people dying from overdosing, technically. So it kind of all fits in. So community outreach is part of prevention, letting people know what the MORR program is, and then just giving them extra resources.
When I went out to this past motel doing outreach for an individual, I ended up connecting with other.
It should be in the first aid kit. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yeah.
October 2020.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And so if you decide to put it in that little red container, just make sure you peel this off so you know the expiration date. Exactly.
Yes.
Kind of just keep it in there with it.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Awesome. Good. So yeah, keep that one with you. Got the brochures.
I got the brochures.
Awesome. And then real quick, I was gonna see if you wanted one more thing. It's up to you.
So these are drug disposal bags. So it's if you have unused or unwanted medication, this is how you dispose of it, because you're not supposed to flush it or put it down the drain. So most people don't know that either.
Most people flush it and put it in.
Exactly.
Right.
So it's 3 easy steps. You put the medication in, you fill it with water, wait 30 seconds, close it, throw it away.
Oh.
So it kind of, the stuff in here deactivates them.
How are you?
Training.
That's perfect.
At the library in Wallingford, matter of fact.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. And you guys have a kit. You're all set.
Yep, we have a kit.
Cool,
We can
cool.
use another one if you don't mind giving us another one.
We can give this one to you guys. That's not a problem. And you guys already, everyone's trained up on it. Here's a little carrying case
All
for
right,
it.
thank you.
So we also want to give you these. This is our MORR program,
Okay.
which is what we both work on our Spanish and English.
Okay.